In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Lovable website fully SEO ready, complete guide. First, open your browser and head to Google. This gives us a clean, familiar starting point so you can follow along from any device. In the search bar, type the word Lovable. You're looking for the official Lovable site, which is an AI-powered website builder. Click into the Lovable website from the results to get started. Once you're on the site, you'll see a prompt field. This is the heart of the process. Lovable is prompt-driven, which means your first prompt heavily shapes the structure, visuals, and functionality of your site, and, importantly, its SEO foundations. Take a moment to think clearly about what you want before you type. Begin your prompt by explaining the purpose of the website. Are you educating, showcasing a portfolio, selling products, or capturing leads? Stating the purpose helps the system choose an information architecture that search engines and visitors can both understand. Describe your target users as well. When Lovable knows who you're serving, it can plan copy and page hierarchy that match their intent, which is great for SEO. List the required pages and sections you need, such as a homepage, about, services, blog, and contact, and briefly state the role of each page. If you already have keywords in mind, weave them naturally into your page titles and descriptions as part of your prompt. You can even specify an H1 heading style for each page and request concise, skimmable sections that include clear subheadings. That structure helps search engines parse your content. Choose a preferred layout style, modern, minimal, or a magazine-style layout, and note any integrations or interactive components you need, like a contact form or a simple gallery. This keeps your site functional without clutter, which supports performance and accessibility. For branding, mention your color palette, tone of voice, and typography preferences. Consistent branding improves credibility and user engagement, both of which can indirectly improve search performance. If your site will feature images, say that you want descriptive alt text included. If you plan to publish articles, specify that blog pages should include clear excerpts and internal links between related content. These details can all live inside your initial prompt, so the generated site starts out SEO-friendly. When your prompt is complete and precise, click Submit. Lovable will transform your instructions into a working site. Because you led with a strong, detailed prompt, you've laid the groundwork for a fast, clear, and search-ready website right from the start.